Is there a potential that I guess Elon Musk could come in and cut costs to an, or you don't think that will reduce deficit enough to put on the right
Well,
path?
what is he going to cut? Is he going to cut Social Security? You're not going to get that. I mean, the Republicans don't have that kind of majority in either house. I don't think Donald Trump wants to touch Social Security. Well, if you can't touch Social Security, Medicare, Medicaid, and defense and the interest on the debt, what are you going to cut? I mean, I don't know. You might be cut, a few billion dollars here and there. But what are you going to, what really are you going to cut? And if those kind of cuts, what would that do to the economy? I don't think, you see, listen, there's no free lunch. I don't think there's any easy get out of jail free card here. No easy pass. There's, for every action, it's one of the law of thermodynamics. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction, and there's going to be a negative reaction of having decades of artificially produced negative real interest rates and a decade of nominal rates that were close to zero. That what you get is massive asset bubbles and a massive increase in debt, and those have to be reconciled, and it's painful when it happens. And I don't know any way out of it. Maybe I'm just not smart enough to understand it. Maybe it's something that I never thought of. Elon Musk is smarter than me. He can land a rocket ship on a platform. Can't do that. But maybe he's come up with something that I don't know of, and history has never witnessed. But I doubt it.